What's going on, guys? I finally had some luck with one of them Pokemon machines. Found some Journey Together, Stellar Crown, Surging Sparks. Then I threw in a couple Twilight Masquerade that I had laying around. So let's go ahead and see what we can hit today. We'll start with the Twilight Masquerade. Let's see. Hope everybody's doing well today. Froakie, Eevee, Slugma, Lucky Helmet. Are we going to be lucky today? Reverum, Heracross, Crawdunt, Okadogi, Fire Energy. Second pack of Twilight Masquerade. Not too familiar with this set. Start off with another Froakie. Another Eevee. Are these identical packs? These started the same way. Uh-oh. Phantom. Slugma. Looking like double same pack. Poliwrath. Hassel. All right, now they're a little different. Those first four cards, though, those seemed all the same. Brute Bonnet. Thwacky. Palafin. And, oh, what do we get? Ooh, Greninja EX. Okay. It's a nice one. First hit out of the second pack. I'll take it. All right. Then we'll go ahead and do... Let's see. I'll do the two Stellar Crown. See what we can get from Stellar Crown. All right, let's see. Lechonk. Varoom. Lilip. Palmy. Dubwool. Pangoro. Crispin. Excuse me. Gravity Gemstone. Dreadnought. The Grass Energy. All right, pack number 2 of Stellar Crown. All right, what do we got here? Gulpin. Morgrim. Rhydon. Tornadus. Koraidon. Frogadier. Oh, what do we got? Sparkling Crystal. Okay. The Morel. Melmetal. Hollow. And Psychic Energy. All right. Second decent hit so far. I like that. Look at that background. That was sick. Oh, it's like it's alive. Okay. Another one to add. 2 hits, 4 packs. We're 50%. Let's go move into the Surging Sparks. Can we hit that Pikachu? Can we get a little 2-pack magic and find Pikachu? Let's find out. I like Surging Sparks. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Drillbur. Quaxley. Zangoose. Clement Quick Wit. Kilowattrel. Chill Teaser Toy. Meowstic. Terra Orb. And Skilledurage. I'm not sure. I'd chop that one up. Hollow. All right. Second pack of Surging Sparks. And then we'll do our 4 packs of Journey Together. Diglett. Volcarona. Togepi. Blitzel. Doug Trio. Wu-Chin. Ceruledge. Quaxley. It's like a reverse. Skarmory. And a Rabska. The water energy. All right, that takes care of those. Now we can jump into our 4 packs of Journey Together. And I'm still looking to pull my first Lily's Clefairy. Still have not pulled one of those yet. Still on the hunt. Maybe we'll get some here. Maybe she will give us the luck. Save that for last. And then we'll go ahead and just get into these 4 packs here. Let's see. We got Cubone. Got Ends Joltik. Larvesta. Beldum. Brock Scouting. Volcarona. Lokix. Ace Asselgar. Not sure how you do that one. What? Hops Cramorant and Ends Reshiram. Hello. Pack 2. Journey Together. Let's see, we start off with Lotad. Nimble. Larvitar. Remoraid. Hops Sandaconda. Caparaja. Ends Castle. Minchino. Hopsilicobra. And Butterfree. Look at you go, Butterfree. Basic energy. All right. Pack number 3, Iona, Bellybot. Let's see, pack number 3. Squawkabilly. And Clang. Furret. Excuse me. Postwick. Cloth. Levincia. Helmize. Oh, what do we got? Got something. We got Wailord. We got Wailord. Look at that thing. Woo! Hello, Wailord. The Metagross Hollow. All right. Another hit. Wailord. Welcome. All right, and our last pack. Can we get that Lily's Clefairy? Can we get, or anything? Can we get one last hit on our 10th pack this afternoon? All right, we've got Stunkfix, Parasect, Pupitar, Hop's Bag. What's in the bag? Pangoro, Grimmsnarl. I like that artwork. I like that. And Torkoal. What's next? Larvesta. And oh, we got another hit. What are we gonna get? Ooh. Iona's Belly Bolt. I'll take it. I'll take it. Look at that. That's nice. Look at the stars. Such a nice background. Such a nice card. All right. So we opened 10 packs. So we had 4 hits. Belly Bolt. Greninja EX. Sparkling Crystal. And the Wailord. Well, that's going to do it for me today. Thanks for tuning in. Check you on the next one. Take care.